Welcome to another episode of Casting and Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make steak and eggs like a boss. So here's what you need. You need a cast iron skillet, nice steak. Today we got a porterhouse, 2 eggs, chopped onion, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, avocado. We have American medley baby potatoes. You can use any kind of potato. We're going to go ahead and make some home fries to go along with it. Some sweet tomatoes for color. Stick of butter. Olive oil. Paprika. Garlic powder. Coarse ground black pepper, some coarse kosher salt, and some hot sauce. We got the Cuisinart Twin Oaks fired up. It's heating up. We're going to get our steak on the grill soon and our home fries fired up. Stay tuned. The burner fired up. You get your side burner fired up. Get the pan nice and hot. We're going to go ahead and add some olive oil. We'll go ahead and let that warm up. And then we're going to add our potatoes. While the oil's heating up, you want to go ahead and open your potatoes. And you want to split all of them in half. So you want to half all the potatoes, throw them into a bowl. Next up, you want to season your steak. We're going to keep it really simple. We're going to go ahead with kosher salt. Coarse ground black pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. Now the potatoes are going to take a little while to cook. While those are cooking, you can let your steak rest and come up to room temperature. Alright, we got our pan nice and hot. We're going to go ahead and add our onions. And our green peppers. And toss those around. Get those to start caramelizing. We're going to go ahead and add our potatoes. Some kosher salt. Garlic powder. Coarse black pepper. And our smoked paprika. Chunk of butter. Go ahead and mix all that up. Then we're going to go ahead and put a lid on it, let it cook for about 10 minutes. Well, that's heating up. You want to go ahead and preheat the grill to get the steak on. Back, you can see what's going on here. Go ahead and give that a nice stir. You want all that to work nicely. See the potatoes are starting to caramelize there. Nice golden brown. Everything's starting to crisp up. That's what you want to see. Go ahead and give them a nice stir. I'm going to let them sit uncovered now for about 10 more minutes. Turn the heat down a little bit. We go ahead and get our steak on the grill. We're going to go ahead and get our steak on the grill. Alright, we're going to go ahead and flip our steak. While that's working, we're going to go ahead and cut in half about 5 tomatoes. Turn the potatoes off and added some tomatoes to our pan. This is going to go ahead and wilt the tomatoes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull our steak off the grill to rest. So we're going to go ahead and pull our skillet off the grill. We're going to go ahead and put our steak inside the skillet pan. Place our blistered tomatoes on top. While that's sitting, we're going to go ahead and get our eggs cooking. Okay, so our eggs are done. We're going to go ahead and slide those out. Now we're going to bring this inside and finish it off. So I'm going to show you how we finish this off. So we're going to go ahead and get an avocado. We're going to half that. Now you got a little paprika. A little splash of hot sauce. Sprinkle of cilantro. And we are done.